This site will make you forget all your daily worries. This site is sure to bring joy to all viewers. Admiring your unique approach here? I had to blink twice to believe my eyes. Speechless at this architectural gem. This is an unconventional method, indeed. This creativity breaks the universe's limits. The manager is probably pulling his hair out. The boss must be exhausted dealing with this. When imagination runs wild in construction. Your idea could take us to Mars, sideways. Only a genius would think outside the box like this. Elon Musk should see this resume. This project will have you laughing and forgetting all your worries. This scene looks like a random shot from a comedy movie. Mixing dreams with reality perfectly? Didn't see that one coming. Makes me think construction can be a funny art form. Watching this reminds me of when friends helped clean up. Building a house, the funniest way you've ever seen. This scene is like a cartoon, but real. Who needs sitcoms when you have this construction site to watch? This site is truly funny on every brick. Watching this makes me want to jump in to help, or just watch. This site is trying to turn the building into a mobile home. This site is definitely a training ground for comedy show contestants. This can't be the original design, right? These builders are training for a comedy show audition. An Einstein would be baffled by this genius. This should be in the Guinness World Records. This should be in the Guinness World Records. This creativity breaks the universe's limits. Heavenly, such a fresh approach to construction. This site will make you forget all your daily worries. Admiring your unique approach here? This site is sure to bring joy to all viewers. Who needs sitcoms when you have this construction site to watch? Watching this makes me want to jump in to help, or just watch. These builders are training for a comedy show audition. This site is trying to turn the building into a mobile home. This can't be the original design, right? Who needs sitcoms when you have this construction site to watch? Thought you knew how to build a house? This site says otherwise. These builders are taking on the unconventional building challenge. Heavenly, such a fresh approach to